Good morning. Please introduce yourself and tell me why you are interested in this position.
Good morning, my name is Sergio Alvarez, and I am currently studying engineering and industrial automation control. I am interested in this position because I like industrial processes, instrumentation, and digital control system. I also want to improve my experience in mining and fuel system maintenance.
Do you have experience working with industrial control panels or digital monitoring system like this?
Yes, I do. Last semester, I worked with PLC panels, HMI screens, sensor, and automatic control system in my laboratory class. I also learned how to monitor tank levels and alarm using digital interface.
What do you do about preventive maintenance in full systems?
Preventive maintenance is very important in petroleum system because it helps prevent failures and accident. Technicians usually in test valves, pumps, sensor, wiring, and communication systems. They also verify the digital displays and alarm are operating correctly.
Have you ever solved a technical problem in an automated system?
Yes, last year one HMI screen stopped communicating with the PLC during a practical session. I checked the Ethernet connection, restarted the control, and verified the communication parameters. After that, the system worked correctly again.
Can you explain what these screens are used for?
These screens are used to monitor and control fuel loading and unloading processes. They display tank levels, alarms, pressure information, and operational status. Operators can use them to supervise the system safely and efficiently.
Are you familiar with safety protocols in mining environments?
Yes, I am working smooth wear personal protective equipment for lockout and tagout procedures and respect safety standard in hazardous areas. Technicians should also verify electrical protection system before working.
What would you do if an alarm suddenly appeared on the control panel?
First, I would identify the type of alarm and review the system information. Then I would inform the supervisor and follow the maintenance and safety procedures. If the problem represented a risk, the fuel station would remain out of service until the fault was corrected.
Can you work under pressure and during long maintenance shift?
Yes, I can. I understand that mining operation require responsibility and teamwork. I am organized, responsible, and willing to learn from experienced technicians.
What software or automation tools have you used?
I have used Siemens Portal, Factorio, and Basic SCADA system. I am currently learning more about industrial communication networks and instrumentation calibration.
Why should you hire you for this position in Minería Centinela?
Because I am motivated, responsible, and eager to continue learning. I have technical knowledge in automation and control, and believe my skill contribute to safe and efficient maintenance operations.
Thank you for your time. Do you have any question or ask?
Yes, could you tell me more about the training process and technical currently use the SM maintenance area?
Of course, you provide technical training and continuous support for our workers.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
You're welcome. Have a great day.